Hello YouTubers, here we have this Emerson Casablanca Classic, or also known as an Emerson Premium. This is the 52-inch model in antique brass. I literally just picked this up this morning. I had to do a little bit of work, that's what I've been working on. Had a broken pull chain, someone had been in there before and changed all the wiring and put a broken 2-speed in there. I have since added another capacitor in here to make it 3-speed again. I used a 4.75 capacitor, just what I had laying around. It does a good low speed. Inside here is actually a date sticker still. I think it says 1982, so that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and go to the top of the motor. Get our model tag. Unfortunately, it was missing the mounting bits and canopy, so I've tried to get some of the mounting stuff I have here at the house. Besides that, basically what you see is what you get. And I'm pretty sure Matthew Orat's gonna buy it from me. He's a local down here. Let's go ahead and put it through its paces. So high, medium, low. I originally got this fan because I thought it was in the copper finish, and I wanted to get one of these in copper. So there's the low speed on it. So I'm not exactly sure how close it is to the factory low. I just kind of threw something in there, which makes a decent low speed. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Medium speed's already putting out a good breeze. Runs fairly quiet. Go ahead and go to high speed. High speed, the fan runs pretty good. Rings are a little hissy, but nothing too bad. Seems to be pretty well balanced. High speed is on, I think like 0.9 something. Can't tell right now because I got lights on the same circuit, so yeah. And the reverse switch does work. I've already tested that. Very nice. Let's go ahead and do this one down. And the other issue with this fan was the switch housing was rubbing against the flywheel, so I put in a nut there for spacing, so it keeps it off it now. Definitely a neat fan. Ugh. This is the only video I really have planned for today. If I put something else together, I might do another video, but not really much else I have going on. There we go, guys. Thanks again for watching.